Well, I could not be happier with that test drive. My big little man, aka volunteer child labor shop assistant, he had a great time, and the car is quick as all get out. The steering is so tight, and it went really well, and it's really nice to drive the car and not just have it in the garage working on it. So I feel re-energized, but the 4th of July parade, I still want to have it in my local little neighborhood here in Normandy Park. It's going to be fun, but I still have a few days until that happens, so I need to quit slacking, and I'm going to get started on this hood. Well, for my first time really messing with fiberglass, it sure does make a mess. But let's see how I did on these gaps here. And I had to take quite a bit off of this hood in order to get these gaps right. But the manual calls for paint stick width all the way around. That seems a little much, a little thick, but I don't know if this is going to work. But I did try and get it even all the way around. You spend so much time positioning the hood that I'm wondering if once I get the hardware on the hood, am I going to be able to reposition this hood correctly, or like I had it, or like I have it right now. I know you don't want anything to rub once you open and close the hood, but I don't know, that's the best I can get it. The directions here, if we take a look, it calls for the hardware and the hinge, installation of the hood, the door or the hood latches, and then it talks about the hood scoop. But I'm kind of inclined to do the scoop first. Then I'll put the hardware on the hood, is what I'm kind of thinking. I don't know, let me know in the comments below.